Thanks for joining me today. Come with me as we tour a standard room at Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. And thanks for watching Optimistically Disney, where we love all things Disney. Here we are at All-Star Sports. All of the rooms at this resort have been refurbished recently, and standard and preferred rooms are the same setup. As you can see, the majority of the rooms have 2 queen beds, but one queen bed is a pull-down bed, which actually gives you a much more spacious room. And the table of 2 chairs during the day is very useful. Each room has a coffee maker and ice bucket. You'll find all the coffee supplies in the drawer below. Below that is a small fridge. The shelves are movable, so that should help fit whatever you need. Heading back to the bathroom, there's a large sink with decent counter space and shelves. There's also an ironing board, hairdryer, and small closet for your convenience. There's a pocket door to separate the shower area, and of course it includes shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and it is a full tub. A couple other small details for this room is that there are actually 3 nightstands with a phone on the middle one and Hey Disney on the far one. Don't worry, there are directions for Hey Disney if you need them. In the dresser, there are extra pillows plus a safe. And that's it. These rooms are very basic but have all the necessities. They feel very new after the refurbishments and absolutely perfect if you plan on spending a lot of time in the parks. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more room tours.